Hi, James Polk here from Apex Law Service. We provide lower cost paralegal hours for our clients who are being charged with crimes. You hire us, and then you hire your attorney, who is also one of our clients, who's hired us to find clients for them, and we do the paralegal hours in the middle. We charge $71.25 rather than between $125 to $280 an hour that different law firms charge. Part of the philosophy of our constitutional law system is that in general, and this is an extraction of general principles, is that there is a greater disutility in convicting an innocent man than there is in letting a guilty man go free. I'm not calling everybody guilty, but there are a lot of people in our society who are not going to give you the philosophical constitutional benefit of the doubt. When you get charged with a crime, a lot of things change in your life just because someone finds out that you're charged with a crime. So my personal philosophy is that you have to equip yourself internally, inside yourself, and you have to view yourself, rightly so, as even if you feel you did something wrong, but not fully wrong, is that you don't need to undergo all the punishment that the state can deal out by going straight in and pleading guilty. If you have a guilty conscience about something, like let's say drinking and driving, you're not supposed to do it, but you have children, you don't need to lose your job and lose your house and not be able to pay for your life. So there's a greater disutility in that, in a utilitarian perspective, above and beyond the idea of the disutility of convicting an innocent person and or the disutility of letting a guilty person go free. You have to kind of see yourself, I like to say from a God's eye perspective, that we each are only maybe a micro part of some of the negative that's in the world when we do something that is viewed societally as negative, and there's a criminal statute against it, and the punishment that the state can deal out to you is just way more of a negative than your actual part of the universe. I know it sounds maybe a little new agey and just a little bit too cosmological, what part of the universe you are, but really, if you are someone who has to deal with a criminal defense case, you're not going to want to deal with it again. Most people don't get charged with multiple crimes. Even if you do get charged with multiple crimes, we make it affordable for you to come in and pay us to do lower cost paralegal work. All of our criminal defense paralegals are trained through paralegal training programs and have experience doing criminal defense paralegal work. And we just believe in your right to defend yourself and in your right to move forward with your life. And we do encourage people, say if you are charged with a DUI or some drug charge or some type of assaultive crime, fights occur, things happen, people deal with life sometimes in a way that's less than totally healthy for them. A good thing to do is to reevaluate one's relationship with alcohol or one's relationship with maybe marijuana or other drugs. And also, anger management is a thing that we encourage people to look at the fact that people all go through situations where something frustrates us, and there's four kind of categorical ways of dealing with things. One is being passive. One is being assertive. And those two are good ways. It's better to probably be assertive, but a lot of people sometimes, when they try to be assertive, they'll get too aggressive, or they'll get passive aggressive. See, if you try to be too passive, you can go passive aggressive. Aggressive and passive aggressive in the anger management continuum, what you want to avoid. So if you can just be assertive in life and assert that you have your rights and that you are of a different opinion with someone, rather than maybe getting in a situation, and it happens, people go to the bar on the weekend, they go get a DUI, or they get in a fight at the bar or something. Those aren't the only crimes with which people can be charged in the world, but they are good examples of something that a regular person can do. So thank you for tuning in today. This is James Polk with ApexLawService.com. Thank you.